Hi, this is Jill with HGTV Handmade, and today I'm going to show you how to make 3 hanging planters using things I guarantee you already have in your house. Stick with me. We are going to start with this cute little handmade crocheted pot holder first, and I'm sure that maybe you're seeing one at your granny's house. If you don't have one, you can pick one up at any yard sale or thrift store for next to nothing. I just chose a coordinating yarn, and I'm just going to cut off a length of it, and I'm going to use a plastic yarn needle, and I'm just going to thread it through the corner. And then when I was going through my basement looking for my yarn, I actually found these little wooden beads that I thought would just make a cute additional embellishment. Now that I have my 4 corners strung, all I'm gonna do is put a cute little potted plant in the center and gather up my strings and go find a place to hang them. Everybody has a shampoo bottle, and when it's empty, you usually throw it in the recycling bin. Another way to upcycle shampoo bottles is to turn them into planters. Go ahead and take off all the labeling and be sure to rinse it out really, really well. All I'm gonna do is use a utility knife or blade, and I'm gonna cut off the top. It's easy to just use the knife, and then you can go back and trim it with some scissors when you get the basic shape. I'm gonna add about 2 inches of pebbles or gravel in the bottom just to add some internal drainage. Add potting soil to the top of the gravel. Next, I'm gonna punch a hole on either side and thread it with wire to make a hanger. Now I'm gonna add my plant. In my life, white shirts never stay white for long, so I decided I'd come up with something else to do with a shirt that has a stain on it. All I'm gonna do is cut off the sleeve. I'm super into mud cloth right now, so I'm just gonna do a basic DIY design using a fabric marker. I'm gonna flip the cuff over, and I'm gonna continue my pattern on the underside of the cuff. Now I'm gonna turn it inside out, and I'm gonna make 3 tiny little slits right underneath the seam of the cuff, and this is what I'm gonna lace the leather through to hang it. To make my base, all I'm gonna do is bunch it up at the bottom and wrap a rubber band around it. Make sure it's really tight. Then I'm gonna turn it back, right side out, trying to make that bottom as flat as possible. Now I'm gonna cut strips of leather to hang it with. Just tie a knot on each of the strands. Now all I'm gonna do is add my plant. I appreciate y'all hanging around to help me make these planters. This is a great little project to add big style to your small space. Comment below and let me know which one you might make, and give us a like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.